Hi guys, I don't have a lot of space in this memory card. I should delete some footage because I'm too lazy to get a new memory card. But yes, the freaking is no longer a pimple. Now it's like a mark and I don't like it, but it's slowly fading away. So oh, and this camera is 100%. Yeah, I wanted to start today's vlog. I haven't vlogged in, yeah, it's been a while. I'm currently watching Zoella. I was too lazy to put a strapless, so I'm staying like that. Sorry, not sorry. My camera has been really weird. I think I broke it. Also, I did not drink a lot of Coke when I was pregnant, and my gosh, now I'm going completely nuts. And I bought 2 boxes of Coke. I drank one this morning, and yesterday I drank like 3 of them, only one day, and it's the small ones. So I would feel like if I'm drinking like a fast food small, well, medium Coke. I'm not doing anything today at all. I mean, I was debating if going out and getting an ice cream cone. You guys have been laughing at me because I am so, like, I'm not being completely basic, I'm being like tacky because I am craving a vanilla ice cream from Burger King, and that's the only thing that I like from Burger King. And the fries, the spicy fries. And I don't know if I've said this in my blog, but yes, I was pregnant, and yes, I had a miscarriage. So I'm calling it like that because I'm not going to tell you the full story. So today I made something, a different kind of chicken slash pork slash steak. Any of those 3, I don't know which one it is. I think it's steak. I will show you eventually. And I cooked it, and I did not follow any rules. Like I did not look for it, how to cook it, and I was craving, and I was like, well, you probably cook it with water and olive oil and vinegar or something. I just invented, and I have not tasted it. I had to cook it this morning because my boyfriend's hours changed, like his work hours, so I have to cook earlier. Fun fact, this is something that I used to be so obsessed with. It's called, in Spanish, it's called bistec or bistec encebollado, which is like with cebolla, like onions. And my grandma used to make it with rice and beans, like mixed together, yellow rice. I did it today just like that. I did not cook it exactly like her, obviously. I wish, because she used to taste like it, the food used to taste so good. I'm like thinking about it and like can't even speak. And then she used to put salad on the side, so I chopped up some tomatoes and lettuce. I need to go to Walmart and get some plantains because I plan to make a really delicious shrimp salad. Everyone knows about my famous shrimp salad. They go crazy about it. Like back in Puerto Rico, they used to beg for me to make it, like honestly, like my family once a week probably. But I missed you guys, and I really wanted to vlog. I did not want to start like a very chill vlog because you guys probably get tired of me just talking and talking. But to be honest, I don't think we have anything planned this weekend. There's a birthday party we need to go to, but I'm not vlogging there. Oh, I've had questions of people asking me like, why am I here every day now? I don't work. And no, I don't actually, I'm unemployed. I'm looking for a job. They don't want to accept me anywhere. I have bad luck. I've been having bad luck with looking for jobs, so I'm just, for now, I'm stuck here. Yeah, I'm probably gonna watch I've been watching YouTube videos all day. I am waiting for it to be 10 p.m. over here, 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, because if y'all know why I'm waiting, I'm gonna give you like a second for you guys to DM me and tell me like, what do you think I'm waiting for? The Ace Family video, like part 2 of the series. I didn't know it was a series. I got so pissed when it came to the end and I didn't see that to be continued yet, and I was like, wait, what? This is all they're vlogging? They're not showing the baby? And then it said to be continued, and I was like, oh okay, good. I'm debating if getting that ice cream cone or not, or should we go now, have the ice cream cone, and then later on the night I'll just have dinner? Should we do that? You guys, I'm not kidding, I really want to, so we're gonna go. This is crazy. I'm gonna take you guys with me. So I have a small problem. So my boyfriend, a few days ago, he lost the keys to this house, and he took mine, and now I don't have a way to close when I leave. I'm gonna do something a little bit dangerous. but I think his keys are in my car, so I'm gonna go now and check. I was debating if going, like leaving or not still, but I really want this ice cream and I'm all doing it just for the ice cream. So I didn't find the keys. I left the door open of the bathroom because we have like a backup type of bathroom door just in case of an emergency or something. By the way, I think they're playing my favorite song. Yeah, I'm gonna have the food a little bit later because I really want to enjoy it. Hopefully it's good. I have not tasted it. I told my boyfriend, listen, it's the first time I cook this, so, but yeah, it smelled so good. It did smell amazing. That bistec, I'm like so ready for it. So who's excited for Christmas? I am kind of excited. I'm not. Last year I was not that excited because my boyfriend was not there with me and I felt really sad about it, and I was not in the mood like most of us weren't. It was a weird Christmas last year, but it was a good one. You know, we distracted ourselves. This year I'm not that excited because I'm not with my family, and this time I'm with my boyfriend, and we're both actually, I don't know, I have never spent the holidays with my boyfriend by ourselves. You know, like the first year that we spent it together, we were with his family and mine, so that was amazing. That Christmas was amazing. It was like 2 years ago. It wasn't last year, the other year before that. I am not looking forward for the food. I don't know what to expect for the food. I don't know if I'm gonna have pasteles. I know that I miss my grandma's pasteles so much. I feel like she makes the best pasteles in the whole entire world. Ain't no one competing with her. I tasted some pasteles like when I was pregnant from this box that came in the supermarket. Tasted like shit. I did not like it. And I don't like calling food shit, but it's just, I don't even know where we're gonna spend the holidays this year or what food we're gonna have. Hopefully we don't have McDonald's or anything because I'm gonna be pissed if we do. Is that the porche that I want? Like the porch? Oh my god, I'm gonna panic. I want a porch. I think they even know that I come here and get ice cream cone.
Thank you for Tuesday Burger King. My name is Brittany. How can I help you?
Hi, I'll have an ice cream cone.
Anything else?
That's all.
Okay, 54 cents. Go ahead and come around.
Thank you. You guys, I love the freaking smell of the burgers over here. Ugh, this smells so good, and I can't freaking have a burger here because I'm allergic. I mean, I've never tasted the burgers from Burger King. I mean, I should try it because they smell so damn good. I should try one. Tomorrow's my sister's birthday. Oh my god, I forgot. Wait, I had a dream. I had a nightmare that I forgot her birthday. I was not happy. I was like, yo, I cannot forget about her birthday. Thank you.
You have a good one.
You too. Bruh. This is the type of ice cream cone that I don't want. Like, if you give me a size like this small, I'm gonna be pissed. Hey guys, so I have 9 minutes of this memory card. Ooh, I really like this one. I messed up with my camera now, and cute and bright. Hopefully it looks better. I forgot that I wanted to do a taste test with you guys, and I want to taste the food that I just made. This is how it looks. I feel like I cooked extra beans, like too much beans. I also like putting a lot of onion on top of the rice and eating it mixed with the rice. I love onion personally. Now here's what I used to do. I used to mix this with the rice. Oh my god. I remember tasting the rice earlier and I completely forgot that I made it too salty. However, this pink is worrying me because I know it's this hard when you like bite it and it's like gummy, but it's not that gummy. At least we cooked it, okay? We tried our best. This looks, you see that? Yeah, I don't think I cooked that. This was a fail, and I should, if my boyfriend doesn't call me, I need to call him and tell him like, listen, don't eat the bistec, because if it's pink, it means it's raw. I feel a little sad because, you know, I miss my grandma's food. I can't believe I'm saying that, but I do. I would wait till like 11 p.m. and tell my boyfriend like, listen, when you come, let's just randomly go out and have some food. Te iba a enviar un mensaje ahora mismo. ¿Estás comiendo?
Sí.
Mira.
Ajá.
Si el bistec está cosita, no te lo comas.
Esa cosita se como que blanca.
No, o sea, cuando la piques, si está rosita por dentro, no te la comas porque la mía está así y no me la pude comer.
Sí, está jodida.
¿Viste?
Adiós,
She's so extra. I love it. Amanda. I love Amanda. I love watching her stories, her videos, her everything. Even her vlogs. Like, I miss her vlogs. Hi guys. Talking without an intro. We are back at it again with a chill vlog today. Do you guys like chill vlogs? I don't know if you guys like it. I might mix it with yesterday's, but I feel like yesterday's, so we'll see what happens. It's gonna be pretty basic, this vlog. It might be short because I didn't want to make this as a main channel, like a sit down type of video, because it's not gonna be like that. So I wanted to make it really nice and chill. And I know I have gotten so many DMs of you guys whenever I make my shrimp salad and I post it or whatever. You guys are like, yo, we need to know the ingredients, we know what you incorporate, because it looks so, like, it looks, I would say juicy, but there's only one ingredient that makes it juicy. I am pretty basic, I'm not gonna lie. Hashtag pretty basic from Alicia. It just launched today and I'm so excited. I already heard it and I cannot be more excited. I wanted to hear more, but it's their first podcast and it's gonna be every Wednesdays, so I'm looking forward for that. This is amazing. Yes, I'm linking this as a vlog because I don't want to make like cook with me video shrimp salad with plantains. But yeah, I was in the grocery store because I had to get tostones, which is plantains. I fry them like with olive oil. I just put olive oil, I think it's called olive oil, I don't know. Might make that now because it's currently 5 p.m. and I am pretty hungry. So these are the shrimps that I use, well, here in Florida. The ones that they make in Puerto Rico, they're different, but this one did like a different packaging. Not the same brand though. I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients like this. I will tell you guys the process of what happens and how I cook it and what do I do. But for now, let's just go into the ingredients. Oh crap. Yo, I'm gonna step out if this tomato is not good. This tomato was so good yesterday. And look how it looks. And it's all because of my damn freaking fridge. Like, do you see that? It got like soggy on this side. You need tomato, like I showed it. You need some lettuce. Mine is already open because I've used it. And you need some onions. I get white onions. That just literally slapped me in the face. Salt, mice, corn. This is corn oil. Just regular oil. Whatever oil you have, just use fried plantains. I use the ones that are Macaboya because they're the best ones. You need water as well. Oh, and I also like using adobo, which I don't know how you say it in English. Seasoning, yes. And yeah, normally I use, like, I think this is called pot in English. I also use a measuring cup. I didn't used to use measuring cup when I was in Puerto Rico, so you don't really need it because you just fill the half of the pot with water and that's it. So you don't really need a measuring cup. You just measure yourself the half of the cup. I bought this baby outfits because we have like a birthday thing to go to this Saturday. But this is the cutest thing ever. I have never in my life shopped for baby clothes, so it felt weird in a sad way because, you know, of what happened to me. Now, a suggestion: if you have long hair and you don't want to encounter yourself with hairs on your food, put your hair away. So I start by taking, usually I do like 3 cups of the water. Come in the pot and I start heating it. If I see that it's not enough, I get more water, which I know that it's not enough, so I'm gonna get more. So usually I put in total like 5 cups. Okay, I think that's too much, but for myself. But I like to take the tail out. So normally I take it out before putting the shrimps in. That's preference of mine. I don't like when they come out, then I have to take them out with the shrimps being hot. So it's better if they're like just naturally cold like that, taking them out. And besides, when you take them out, you just put them in the salad and that's it. that's how it looks. I don't, obviously this is just for me, so it looks like you guys probably say like, why did you get a huge pan for just myself? I don't know, I guess that was the only pan. I should have used this one, but I'm gonna use that one for the fried plantains. So let's start with the salad. I always start with the salad because surprisingly the shrimps are done pretty fast, so you don't have to worry about that. So these are the plantains, how they come like in bags. I always get a big bowl, and this is where I mix all my salad and put everything in there. This is the salt I use, just in case you guys were wondering. Now we go in with tomatoes. I'm still using the tomato that screwed up. I'm using the half of it because, you know, I don't want to throw it away. When the half of it, I can probably use it. Go ahead and open a can of corn and take the juice out. I'm gonna go ahead and charge you guys a little bit because my battery's flashing. I didn't notice that it was running out of battery, so. Alright you guys, I'm back. So you're probably hearing the noise of the fried plantains because I just put one in. I wanted to put the rest in camera. So honestly, all you need in the pan is the oil, corn oil. I use corn oil, by the way. I wanted to like close this vlog. I didn't film the aftermath, but I will post a picture here. I did take a picture because I was talking to my boyfriend while I was almost done cooking. So sorry about that. Usually he calls me when he's on his breaks. Yeah, that's how it turned out. It was really good. I left a little bit only, but I know you guys are probably gonna say, Diana, you went extreme with a salad. I know. Yeah, I'm gonna go shower now and probably go to bed. And my boyfriend was like, I want to think you're gonna be sleeping when I get home because he doesn't like it when I stay up and wait for him. I hope you guys enjoyed this cooking type of vlog. It's a little different. Let me know if you guys want more cooking type of things or like something that you guys have seen me cook and you're interested in knowing, and I will make it a part of a vlog as well. So I will see you guys on the next video. Oh, like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, and if you want to hit the notification bell, go ahead and do it. It's really important. You know, all this whole mess with YouTube and not putting sometimes in the subscription box my videos or any type of YouTubers videos, so it's important that you put the notifications. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.